Question and answer by L.G. Alexander. Lesson 43.
Well worth the money. While walking through the park, we stopped by the pond to watch some children who were sailing model boats. There were so many boats in the pond that morning that quite a few people had gathered on the banks to see them. Suddenly someone shouted, "There's a man in the pond." We looked up, and sure enough, a man's head could just be seen on the other side of the pond. The man appeared to be swimming vigorously and was coming straight towards us. "He must be crazy," a young man said. "I wouldn't dive into that pond for a fortune. And anyway, it must be freezing cold." The brackish water of the pond was certainly not inviting. As it was still early March, the water must certainly have been very cold. After a short time, the man approached the bank. The water was very shallow, so he walked the last few yards. We were astonished to see that he was fully dressed. "Nice swim?" the young man asked. "Nice swim my foot," the man remarked irritably. "It's freezing. I did it for a bet." Answer these questions. 1. Didn't you stop by the pond? 2. What were the children doing near the pond? 3. Why were there so many people near the pond? 4. Why did everyone stop looking at the model boats? 5. There was a man in the water, wasn't there? 6. Was he swimming or was he in a boat? 7. What was the young man's opinion of the swimmer? 8. He thought the swimmer was crazy, didn't he? 9. Why did he think the swimmer was crazy? 10. Why is it certain that the water in the pond was very cold? 11. Did the man swim right up to the bank? 12. Didn't he walk the last few yards? 13. Why was everyone surprised when the man began walking? 14. The man was fully dressed, wasn't he? 15. Why had the man swum across the pond?